Making an online booking with us is easy. Once you're logged in, click the Booking tab on the main menu. You'll be led to the Search and Filter page where you fill in the information as normal. In this example, I will search in more detail, and we will try searching for hotels in Bangkok travelling from 1st to 7th of June 2020. You can also decide which order to list the results. In this example, I will list them alphabetically. Then click Search. After clicking Search, you will see the list of hotels and their room categories, including any promotions, listed in the order you chose, along with their rates for the dates you searched for. On the left-hand side, you'll also see that you can further filter the results, for example by 5-star hotel, whether the hotel has a kids club, or whether there is an outdoor swimming pool. You can view more details about any hotel by clicking its name to open a pop-up window. Here you can view the location map, pictures of the hotel, and look at a description of the hotel. When you're finished, close the pop-up window and it will return you to the hotel list. Each rate shows the total price for 6 nights. You can click on the rate for price breakdown details. You can see any discounts that have been applied in red. On the availability column, if you see yes, then the room is available for instant booking. If you see on request, it means our reservation team and the hotel will check and confirm the booking with you. Once you've decided on the hotel and room category you want to book, simply click Book Now and you'll be taken to the booking form to fill in all the details about the booking, including your booking's leading PAX name, contact email address, and your additional notes and the details of each individual PAX. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, click Book Service to complete the booking. We at Diethelm Travel will then be notified and will proceed with the booking. You can now add another service or view a booking summary, or exit the page if you're finished for now. And that's it. We look forward to receiving your online bookings soon. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions at sales@diethelmtravel.com.